special package here. What contains in this package is going to be an i9 processor, and that's going to be the 9900K i9. So I'm upgrading my CPU in my regular computer. I'm upgrading it from a Pentium 3 processor to an i9. So I should get some killer speed now, instead of rocking this i3 that I've been rocking forever. So a little different chipset, but it should work. So let's unbox this thing. So I actually upgraded too. I'm going to be upgrading the RAM. Which is going to be nice. So let's take a look at this baby here. Packaged. Grab this bad boy. It's got some weight to it. There we go. We got the i9. This is the 9th generation. I'm going to be using this one on my existing motherboard, which is 8th generation, compatible with the 8th and the 9th. That thing is sexy. So that's going to be basically a showpiece right there. Warranty stickers are still in. Got us a little piece of plastic that broke inside there, obviously. So I'm just making sure the warranty seals ain't broken. So this is going to be some serious power here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this case actually. I'm going to light it up with some LEDs. This is going to be pretty cool, just to sit on top of the computer. I don't know if people have done that before. So let's break this warranty seal here. Should unfold like that. We can set that to the side. We have another warranty seal here. So I know this is gonna this kind of snaps into place or something, so I don't want to damage it. So imagine this has to come apart somehow. There we go. Almost got it. Such a nice little case. We got another warranty sticker over here on this side we gotta take off. There we go. So we got some plastic pieces that must have broke. Pretty awesome packaging if you ask me. So we set that to the side. So there's the i9. Sexy little powerful chip. And that thing's got so many capacitors on there. That's the 3.6 gigahertz. See if I can focus that. Probably not. It's a 3.6 gigahertz and goes up to 5 gigahertz when you boost the speed on it. Comes with like a little instruction book here on the case. They even have this sealed up. Three-year warranty, which is pretty nice. This is going to show you how to install it in case you don't know how to install a CPU. But you shouldn't be buying a CPU if you don't know how to install a CPU, in my opinion. Unless you're a regular consumer buying a system that's already built. So yeah, that's basically just a little unboxing of it. I'm going to have to get my rig all ready to be able to change this out. So I'm upgrading from my i3, which is, you know, it's going to be much more powerful than this i3. So hope you guys liked the video. If you guys get a chance, give this video a thumbs up. Also, if you guys haven't subscribed to my channel, hit that subscribe button. And as always, thanks for watching.